Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first official YouTube video, which feels crazy, but I'm just gonna do it. So I thought I would just do a little quick get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere special today. I mean, well, I'm going on a date night, so like that's special, but it's like our usual dinner and a movie. So, no big crazy place to go. But Tarte sent me all this amazing stuff earlier in the summer, and I wanted to share it with you because I've been wearing it basically all season, and now it's about to be fall. So, better late than never. One of the things that they sent was this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Bounce. Do I put it here? Do I put it here? Guys, we don't know. We don't know. We're learning, okay? I already have this on my face and I love it. So I'm gonna skip that part and go straight to concealer. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral. Just gonna dab, 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 dab. It's probably way too much. We'll find out. Concealer, Shark, guys. Someone take YouTube away from me. Tarte Shape Tape, which is what I was trying to say, is my favorite concealer, probably of all time. It is actually of all time. It stays in place, makes me look like I've slept 3,000 hours. It's just wonderful. I haven't found one. I've been searching for like a holy grail, and I have to say, this is it. Also, this eye is like my wonky eye. It's like always darker than the other one. Needs a little more love. So we're just gonna add a little extra to balance it out, and a little more up here actually, because my eyelids are so dark. Sometimes I'm like, I'm not even gonna put shadow on those. We're just gonna go with it, you know? So, concealer. A lot of times, honestly, like this is it, and maybe I'll put some mascara on. Oh, I didn't get my mascara. I'll have to go get that. Next up is I'm gonna put this all over my face. Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation in the shade Light Golden 24G. So I'm just doing one little tiny pump, that much. It actually goes a long way, and I don't love foundation, so that's why we're not gonna do a ton. Ooh, I have makeup brushes, but we're just gonna use our hands for today because that's more fun and more simple. TBH. Do kids still say TBH? Don't know. Don't care. This is an opera version, get ready with me, in which I will now sing all of the rest of the products. Just kidding, guys, I don't hate you. Oh, here we go. Got that redness going on up here. I get redness here, here. That's about it. That's where it happens. I just ripped my earring out, guys. Please hold. Also, I'm trying to get used to looking in the actual camera because I'm used to just not doing that. So I'm always like looking over here at the record button, which is not helpful in the least bit. Anyway, okay, now that's safely back in there. I also don't have the blush. I'm the worst makeup blogger of all time. So I'm just doing a get ready with me where I just show them some makeup that I got and I put it on. Yay. Okay, I went and grabbed the blushes for you. And let me just preface this by saying that I really didn't plan this video out very well. So my nails aren't done. I don't know, it's my first video. I'm just like trying it. I was like, I'm just gonna do this so that I actually do it and like stop saying I'm gonna do it, you know, one of those things. So anyways, excuse my sad blue nails, but these are the blushes that they sent. So this is the color Exposed. It's my absolute favorite. Love. And this one I love. It's just like kind of intense for me, so I usually don't wear it every day, but it's really, really beautiful. This one is called Natural Beauty. So I love that one too for like if I'm going out, you know, not just like a daily look. It's a little, this one's a little more muted. This one's a little more funsies. So I'm gonna do that next blush. So I'm gonna use Exposed. And I'm using the Sigma Large Angled Contour Brush F40. That's the brush that I'm using for my blush. Not a big old thing, just a little bit of color to go on there. And then next we will do eyes. Next we'll do eyes. I have concealer all over everything because my makeup just lives in my bag. Okay, Tarte in Bloom palette is the thing that I'm using now for my eyes. It's really, really, really gorgeous. I'll show it to you. Sorry, that's my cat. Really gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't know if this is the best way to show you, but I could probably turn it this way. But then you have the mirror and you see the camera. Look at my setup, guys. Do you like my applesauce? This is what it looks like upside down. It's very beautiful. The colors are just amazing. So I'm going to use Charmer. It's like kind of like a very bright white. But again, my eyes are just kind of dark. So I try to brighten them up as much as possible. So I'm putting that all over. Boy, I have to sneeze. Oh no. Guess not. Okay. Okay, and then I'm adding this little shimmery color right here called Funny Girl, just over the top of my lid, just for a little funsies, nothing too crazy. Okay, and finally, I'm gonna use this color Sweetheart right in the crease. And then I'm gonna add mascara. I have this primer, and I found the mascara. I went out and got it. It's called Man Eater. That's the one they sent me. So, mascara. I'm gonna need a mirror for this though, because so you can see the difference on this eye versus this one. Just a little quick comparison. I don't typically curl my eyelashes during the day either. Like again, if I'm going out, I would probably put on like fake lashes or curl them or just be a little bit more, you know, involved with it. But this is me trying to be as quick as possible, as simple as possible. Do I look the same? Yeah, that's good. Looks great. Okay, and then I'm finishing with this lipstick called Salt Life is the color. I don't know what the actual lipstick is called. Salt Life is the color. It's really, really beautiful. And I'm just gonna have a little on here. Look at that. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna take the pin out of my hair. Curly hair is like, what side is it gonna be today? Woo, not that, you know? This one freaking hair, man. My hair's kind of crazy and all over the place, so we're just gonna chill with it. Anyways, thank you so much. Very first Get Ready With Me, my very first official YouTube video. You can find me on Instagram at TheRealKatieWaldow. You can subscribe if you want to see more of stuff like this. I think I'm gonna just stick with lifestyle videos and see how it goes. If you have suggestions for videos you want to see, drop them in the comments. I'd love to get to know you. Tell me where you're from. Tell me how I can improve. I just want to do things for you. That's it. I'm out. The end.